Hello everyone. 1.5 years ago, and we once made some short video, which showing how the Dali drivers and working with the G4 Dali Bridge. But still, we have received many questions and from the clients, and they still don't know how the detail it was working. Even we made the manual and made the short video. So now I think that in this lesson I will explain to you all the very detail of everything. I hope that after that you will understand how this bridge is working. Firstly, you see I have this one. Dali Bridge is very small one but a very smart one, and this one connected to S-bus, so no need to explain for this one. And then this one has no polarity, is the Dali control line. Maybe you can call it the Dali data line. It's this one. And then this one is the Dali power supply. Now you see I have two lamps connected together, and one is the driver and another one is another driver, and each driver connected to one power supply, such like this one and also this one. Now we are talking one by one of this one. Firstly, you see this. This one is the Dali power supply. To make it much clearer, you see. Maybe you have some different ones, but all of this one is getting the input. This is 220 volt voltage directly go to the socket, and like this one, so it's get input and then output with the Dali power supply, and it's from here you can see the output is 15 voltage and it's DC power supply, but from AC to DC, and you have this Dali power supply. So maybe you have different one, but most of them are the same. This is L, this is N. So you see from here, and then it get two output, and this one get two output. So why I connected to two of the driver, driver 1 and the driver 2. This is one. Second, the driver. Usually from the factory, you will have the Dali LED driver. The driver also get input and get output. And the input also almost the same. You can see from here, the input is 100 to 240. It's AC power supply, and then get output. And this one is get 24 volt DC, and then this one maximum, and the current is this. Okay, you see this one also the same, and input 100 and output is this one is 24 voltage. Okay, and this one gets more. And then we needed to go there. You can see how this one was get connected, and all these drivers is get input, so you needed to go to 220. So you see this one connected here, and then we goes here, it's 220, same like Dali power supply. You see I have two sockets and one plug. This plug is for this power, for these two drivers. And then this plugger is for the power, the Dali power supply, the adapter. Actually, all of them are adapters. So, and both of these one shared with one power supply here, because, and you can use separate one if you would like. So you see this one connected together. This is input, and from here, this is the input, and from here also the input. And then the output is easy. They have two output here, and one is directly go to the lamp. You see this one go to the lamp. They have plus minus, and this one and go to the lamp. And here you see also go to the lamp. The lamp is here. And another one is for usually for Dali, connected to the Dali 9, and you see this. Such like that dot 1 and dot 2, and this one also get this one. You see here, and we connected the dot 1 to this red bridge, red line, and dot 2 to the black one. So now you got the idea how this one get connected. Then we go for programming. Now we are going for programming. How to program Dali module bridge in Smart Cloud. Firstly, you need to have the latest Smart Cloud version, and you can download from Google Driver. And then second one, you need to check the firmware version. Now this is the firmware version for Dali 48. And then double click here one, then you can find firstly like any relay module or DMI module, and you make area setup. Now I just make one area for easy to show. Then and waiting for the channels loading, and you are getting 48 channel. Now the more important things is go for channel settings here. This will help you to how to locate and how to allocate your channels, because you have if you have too many of the Dali drivers, you don't know which channel to control. And the first things you need to reassign them all. It's just say you have released all of them, and after that, if you want to add a new one, you can add some of new. I mean that's but after that you need to test. For example, first put it one here, and then you start test such like channel 1. I will test it like this, because the Dali driver is randomly assigned. You see, this light is on, off. This one, okay. We stop this one. Then second one. Now it's off. Second one, maybe try number 2. And also start a test. You can see from here. And another lamp is on off now. Okay, be back. So now you are finished almost. And stop the test and turn off now. And then if go to DDP, I have the DDP here. Go to DDP, like to setting any of the DMI lights. It's like here, single channel 19, 1 and 2. So that's all. We have finished, and then go for test. Now we are going for testing here, because I have signed channel 1, and this device number is 118, okay, and this is 1, channel 1, that's 1, this one, okay, and then channel 2 is this one. Now if you long press this one, it will dim off, you see. Okay, now it's off, and then this one also the same. If we dim on again, now it's on 100%. And then this one. Then now it's off, and then on. Depends on you. Or on 100, and then this one. If you want to save the dimming value, when you next time and when you power on this device, is going to turn on from the button, and you can set from DDP the dimming value settings. Thank you.